I'm Kenny Harrell. I'm the managing partner at Joye Law Firm. I've been with the firm for 26 years now, and this is my 33rd year practicing law. Our law firm just focuses on personal injury cases. That's all we do. If you've been hurt, whether on the job or you think somebody else caused you to be hurt, it doesn't cost you a dime to call us or to speak with us, and we're happy to speak with you and see if we can help you. My work is a hobby. I love practicing law, and I know that sounds like a cop-out to say that, but I'm just as happy on a Monday morning as I am on a Saturday morning. I grew up in a blue-collar family. I had great parents. My dad worked for the post office. My mom was a secretary for the highway department. I met my wife in law school. I have 3 children. I have 2 grandkids as well, which is a new phase for us, so I'm enjoying that. I guess that's a new hobby because they're so much fun. I was fortunate to grow up in a household that was very supportive, very loving, and I like to think I provided the same thing to my family. I enjoyed my time in law school, but it really was after I got out of law school and started practicing law that it clicked. Well, there was just something about it, and that's the thing that, of course, lawyers all know to be true, is that none of us know a darn thing about practicing law when we get out of law school. From the first day that I got to work at the Joye Law Firm and started doing this work, I felt like I was just in nirvana. I'm like, this is great. I get to practice law. I get to represent people. The great thing about our practice is that we get paid and we're profitable based on being productive, not on spinning wheels and spending time. And so we're not sending people a bill to say, hey, we just did 32 hours of work and you owe us X amount, which can get pretty frustrating if you're the one getting that bill. You know, the only time people are paying us is once we've gotten a successful outcome for them. So that's a fun way to practice law. First thing I would say to anybody, if you've been hurt on the job or you've been hurt in a car accident or perhaps you had a trip and fall of some sort, whatever the case may be, doesn't cost you a dime. I mean, it's free, and you have access to a law firm with a phenomenal trial record and a phenomenal results record. You just go on the website and look at the results we've gotten. I mean, it's pretty phenomenal. And 300 years of experience, why wouldn't you take advantage of that? The biggest thing that I always preach, and it's my sort of #1 rule for client service, and that's the idea of responsiveness. I don't think anything is as frustrating to clients of lawyers and law firms as feeling like that they're not being responded to in a timely manner. If somebody has given us the benefit of choosing us out of all the options they had out there, then I want to be ready to go 24/7 to provide them with service. If they walk out the door and know, hey, these were good people and they were honest with me, they were responsive, they did what they said they were going to do, and they got me great result, they're going to go out and tell friends and family, look, that's who you need to use.